In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and access your Hostinger account in 2025. This straightforward guide will walk you through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. Now, let's dive right in. To begin, head over to Hostinger's website. You can do this easily by typing their URL into your preferred web browser's address bar. Once that's done, you'll land on Hostinger's homepage. You'll notice a lot of options, but what you want to look for is the Start Now button. It's typically visible on the home page, designed to be eye-catching. Once you click on Start Now, you'll be directed to a page where you can select a hosting plan. Here, you'll see several options laid out in front of you. Just click on Choose Plan for the option that best suits your needs. After that, it's time to choose your billing cycle. Hostinger often offers monthly, annual, or multi-year plans. Decide on the duration that makes the most sense for you financially and plan-wise, then select it. The next step involves filling out your billing address information. Enter your details accurately, ensuring all fields are completed correctly. This information is essential, so take your time and double-check everything. With your billing information sorted, it's now time to select your payment method. Hostinger supports a variety of payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and other popular online payment solutions. Choose the option that is most convenient for you. Once you've selected your payment method, go ahead and click Submit Payment to process your purchase. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this step, as any interruptions could potentially cause issues. When the payment goes through successfully, you'll need to check out the hPanel, Hostinger's control panel. It's a vital tool that allows you to manage your website and hosts a user-friendly interface to simplify your hosting experience. You'll be presented with a question asking who the website is for. Select the option that fits your situation. Then, decide if you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one to Hostinger. If you choose to create a new website, you'll decide where you'd like to build it. Hostinger provides several platforms or website builders for this purpose. Next, you need to choose a domain for your website. A catchy or meaningful domain can make a difference, so pick wisely. Once you've settled on a domain, you'll click Next to proceed. Now comes the fun part, customizing your website. Hostinger offers AI tools for this purpose, helping you design a sleek and functional site. You can adjust colors, change text, add various elements, and more, all to tailor your website to your vision. Finally, connect your site to your chosen domain and click through the next prompts until you reach the finish line. By clicking Next Step and then Continue, you wrap up the setup process. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on logging into and setting up your Hostinger account. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.